dragon fruit. And I'm looking forward to my husband peeling it so I can try a taste of it. Now this is new for me because I never had dragon fruit before, so let's get ready. So I'll come back in a minute and we'll see how to peel it and we'll try it and see what it tastes like.
Okay, we're close to the time we're getting ready to cut our dragon fruit. We're going to cut it right down the center, and then we're going to peel off the outside skin. You don't eat the outside skin. And the reason it's called dragon fruit, I guess if you look at it, some might see a dragon. I don't know how you see a dragon in this, but I guess maybe the way it looks, the scales like a dragon has here, is why they call it dragon fruit, and it's red like fire, like a dragon breathes fire, supposedly. So dragon fruit. So we're going to give it a cut, and we'll come back and show you how we cut it, and then we're going to do that taste test for our dragon fruit. Okay, this is our dragon fruit. Now we're going to cut our dragon fruit. And you cut it long ways, just like this. So I have a bread knife, a nice wide knife. So the first thing we're going to do is cut it. All it has, and when you open the dragon fruit, it looks a little bit like some people said, like kiwi. But that's the dragon fruit. And we're going to cut it again now. Okay, now we're going to cut it long ways again. And once you cut it, you do not eat the peel. So we're going to just peel it. And you peel it like that. So here's the peel. And you do not eat the peel. So here's the dragon fruit peel. So we'll set that aside. Now Christine asked me to buy the dragon fruit. So she's going to sample it first and tell us what it tastes like and if she likes it. Okay, go ahead, Chris.
Okay.
What does it taste like to you?
It's just a little sweet. It's not as sweet as it could be, but it has the texture of a kiwi. It's a little firmer than a kiwi. Okay.
All right. Do you like it?
Yes.
That don't sound like a real positive.
Well,
yes.
this particular one is just a little sweet, so it'd be much nicer or better if it was sweeter.
Okay. And that might be something we just have to adjust to because, you know, we're used to fruits a certain consistency and flavor. Now, let me ask you, is it mushy or is it firm?
It's not really too mushy, and it's not too firm either.
Okay. All right. Would you buy it again?
Yes, I would try it again.
Okay. All right, let me try it now. Okay, I'm going to try it now, the dragon fruit. And so let me give it a try. To me, it has a real mild sweetness, a very mild flavor and texture, almost like rice pudding, the texture. The flavor is very mild. Now here's the question. Would I buy it again for $3.49? Some stores it's like $5. I don't think so. Doesn't appeal to me that much. But then again, it comes from Asia. And so I'm not from Asia, so I didn't grow up eating dragon fruit. I'm sure if you're from Asia, there may be different ways to prepare it. You probably love it. Well, that's our taste test of the dragon fruit. Thanks for watching LaKad TV. This has been John Walker, and we have a special guest with us today, Christine, and she has her channel on YouTube, Creations by Chris. So drop in and visit her site. You'll learn a lot about design, fashion, and creation. On my site, you learn a lot about food, travel, and technology. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hey, just a quick update, y'all. We didn't buy another one. It was okay, but we haven't gone back and gotten another one.